The Lexus GX 460 is not just another luxury SUV. It is a statement of strength, reliability, and timeless engineering in a world dominated by fragile technology and complex electronics. Built on the legendary Land Cruiser Prado platform, the GX 460 represents old-school durability combined with modern luxury, creating a vehicle that refuses to age, refuses to fail, and refuses to compromise. At first glance, the GX 460 commands presence. Its bold spindle grille, aggressive LED headlamps, muscular fenders, and upright stance give it a powerful, confident look. This is not a soft crossover pretending to be an SUV. This is a real body-on-frame machine, designed to dominate highways, deserts, mountains, and city streets with equal authority. The tall ride height, strong proportions, and solid construction instantly communicate toughness and prestige. Under the hood lies the heart of a legend, a naturally aspirated 4.6-liter V8 engine producing 301 horsepower and 329 pound-feet of torque. This engine is famous for its smooth power delivery, rock-solid reliability, and long service life. No fragile turbochargers, no overstressed components, just pure mechanical strength engineered to last for hundreds of thousands of miles. The 6-speed automatic transmission delivers seamless shifts, while full-time four-wheel drive ensures unstoppable traction in every condition. Acceleration is smooth and confident, delivering power effortlessly whether cruising on the highway or climbing steep off-road terrain. The deep growl of the V8 adds character and emotional excitement, reminding drivers that true luxury still includes soul and mechanical beauty. Every press of the throttle delivers refined strength, transforming each drive into a powerful and satisfying experience. Step inside, and the GX 460 reveals its luxury side. The cabin is crafted with premium leather, rich wood trims, brushed aluminum accents, and soft-touch materials throughout. Every surface feels solid, expensive, and meticulously assembled. Lexus build quality shines in every detail, from the smooth switchgear to the perfectly stitched leather seats. This interior is built not just for comfort, but for longevity, ensuring it still feels premium after years of ownership. The seating position provides commanding visibility, reinforcing the sense of control and confidence. Heated and ventilated seats, multi-zone climate control, premium Mark Levinson audio system, and advanced infotainment create an atmosphere of refined comfort. Long journeys become effortless, while daily commutes turn into relaxing luxury experiences. Despite its luxury, the GX 460 remains a true off-road champion. Equipped with locking center differential, low-range gearing, crawl control, and multi-terrain select, it can conquer extreme environments without hesitation. Deep sand, rocky trails, muddy paths, snow-covered roads, nothing stands in its way. This is one of the few luxury SUVs that can travel deep into wilderness and return without stress, proving its unmatched durability. The suspension system is engineered to deliver both comfort and control. On highways, the GX glides smoothly, absorbing imperfections with ease. Off-road, it articulates beautifully, maintaining traction and stability even in brutal terrain. This dual personality makes it one of the most versatile luxury SUVs ever created. Safety is another strong pillar. The GX 460 is equipped with advanced safety systems including adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, blind spot monitoring, collision avoidance technology, multiple airbags, and a reinforced body structure. Lexus engineering ensures maximum occupant protection while maintaining structural integrity even in severe conditions. But what truly elevates the GX 460 above all rivals is its legendary long-term reliability. Owners worldwide report crossing 300,000 to 500,000 kilometers with nothing more than routine maintenance. This is the result of conservative engineering, high-quality materials, and Toyota's obsession with durability. While modern luxury SUVs struggle with expensive repairs after warranty expiration, the GX 460 thrives, remaining dependable, strong, and affordable to maintain. In hot climates, rough roads, and extreme environments, the GX 460 performs effortlessly. Its cooling systems, drivetrain durability, suspension strength, and electrical reliability make it ideal for demanding regions where reliability is non-negotiable. This SUV was built to survive harsh realities, not just impress in showroom lights. Fuel efficiency may not be its strongest point, but what it offers in return is peace of mind. No constant breakdown anxiety, no fragile components, no endless repair bills. Instead, it delivers confidence, durability, and trust, qualities that have become rare in the modern luxury car world. Resale value remains exceptionally strong, thanks to its reputation and proven track record. Demand for used GX 460 models continues to grow, especially among buyers seeking a luxury SUV that will not become a financial burden. This makes it one of the smartest long-term luxury investments available. Every journey in the GX 460 feels secure, powerful, and refined. It blends luxury with mechanical honesty, creating an emotional connection between driver and machine. It does not rely on gimmicks, oversized screens, or fragile technology. Instead, it focuses on solid engineering, dependable performance, and real-world usability. The Lexus GX 460 stands as one of the last true luxury SUVs that prioritizes reliability over trends, durability over complexity, and long-term ownership satisfaction over short-term excitement. In a rapidly changing automotive world, it remains a symbol of timeless engineering, mechanical excellence, and unstoppable strength. This is not just a luxury SUV. This is a fortress on wheels. A machine built to conquer time, terrain, and expectations. The Lexus GX 460 is proof that true luxury is not about fragile innovation, it is about confidence, endurance, and legendary reliability.